anyone seen the 7-minute workout before? Johnson & Johnson. We built that app.
We're using currently for our company site Middleman. It's built on Ruby. It's really nice. We deploy to S3. We have continuous integration all set up. The thing works beautifully. One thing we have a problem with though is that these tools are made for us as developers. So a lot of these things come with blogging tools and ways to create content, but they're really geared for folks like us who know how to write Markdown. We know how to use Git to deploy. We know how to do these things. But what about our friends? What about our people that need to do content creation and maybe aren't as technical as us?
And you can start gaining some understanding of your consumer base before you're in the market. Kickstarter's great. I have a Pebble. Pebble was massively successful in Kickstarter. They make a smartwatch. They were one of the first to the market, but they put it out there and consumers responded really, really well. And one of the main things, they were able to have a conversation with their potential consumers. They said, hey, we want the thing to be waterproof. They didn't even consider it. So they built a magnetic charger and closed off the casing, and they were successful because they surveyed their market, they got response, and they were able to adjust their idea and their vision a little bit.
How we value and how we see that thing perform, it's about interaction time. So we see that at any time, I think it's like between 10 and 12,000 users are using that at any time. And that's how we know something works. When you start seeing the interaction time and people actually using the app, and the fact that I have people even in here that I've never seen before that are shaking their head, that's fantastic.
So what we ended up doing was building it ourselves. So basically what we have is an interface where basically we can create content, different components, responsive web components, in this kind of admin-like interface that people are familiar with. So you can go in, you can enter some forms, you can pick different pieces. We have paragraphs, image sliders, videos, all this wonderful stuff, but you don't have to code it.